Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and use VPN Tunnel from the UDP custom website. This VPN comes with fast servers and supports multiple protocols for secure and unlimited browsing. The setup process is very simple and works smoothly on Android devices. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you do not miss any important step. First of all, open any browser on your phone, such as Chrome or any other browser you use regularly. Once the browser is opened, go to the search bar and type UDP Custom Website. Then press the search button on your keyboard to continue. Now from the search results, open the official UDP Custom website. Once the page is loaded, you will land on the home page of the website, where different tools and VPN-related options are available. After reaching the home page, tap on the menu icon located on the top side of the website. A list of different menu options will appear on your screen. From that menu, select the Free VPN option to continue to the VPN section. Once the VPN page opens, you will see different VPN applications available on the page. Here, find and tap on VPN Tunnel so you can proceed to the download page of the application. Now you will see the Install option. Tap on the Install button to start downloading the VPN Tunnel application on your device. The installation process may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, so wait patiently until the installation is completed successfully. After the installation is completed, you will see an Open button on your screen. Tap on the Open button to launch the VPN application for the first time on your device. Once the VPN app is launched, you will be redirected to the home screen of VPN Tunnel. In some cases, the app may ask for notification permission. You can allow or cancel the notification request according to your preference. Now, make sure your mobile data or Wi-Fi connection is active because the VPN needs internet access to load and update its servers list. After updating the servers, the application may refresh or restart automatically, so wait for a few seconds until everything loads properly. Now, let's explore the VPN interface. This VPN mainly has two important sections. One section is for selecting servers, and the other section is for selecting protocols or tweaks according to your internet method. To select a server, tap on the Server section. A list of different country servers and locations will appear on your screen. You can select any server you want according to your needs, and you can also change the server anytime later. After selecting the server, now you can choose a protocol or tweak. Tap on the Tweaks button, and a list of built-in methods and protocols will appear. Scroll through the list carefully and choose any tweak or protocol that works best for your network connection. Once everything is selected, go back to the home screen of the VPN application. You will now see a large Start button. Tap on the Start button to connect the VPN. The VPN will establish the connection within a few seconds, and after that, your browsing traffic will become secure. If you want to share your VPN connection with other devices, such as another phone or a computer, then open the side menu and tap on the Tethering option. Enable the Tethering Settings button, and now you can share the VPN connection easily. So that was today's tutorial on how to download and use VPN Tunnel from the UDP custom website. I hope this video helped you understand the complete process in an easy way. If you found this video useful, then make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.